I do. And we're waiting for my dad to get something. And we're going to the Golden Gate Bridge. But we're gonna go to breakfast first. So we have to wait for my dad. And we just wait. And this is my outfit for today. Okay, so we are eating at a restaurant, but I don't know what the restaurant is called, but I don't know where we're gonna go after this. I have no idea. Noodles and some fried rice, but mostly fried rice. I'm gonna finish this off.
Good luck.
We were at a restaurant and I ate fried rice and now I'm full and we looked for a parking spot and now we're at the Painted Ladies. Okay, here is our museum, and we saw Fuller House. Oh my gosh! But they painted the door and the stairs, but the person from Fuller House bought it. But we are at the train. They got how to make train tracks. went to dinner since we were hungry. And I ordered chicken tenders and with fries and some sauce. And we didn't know that there's a restaurant at the hotel, so we're at the hotel because there's a restaurant at the hotel. By the way, if you're gonna come here, make sure you bring pants and a sweater or like a jacket because it's really cold when you go outside. And there's a really cool stuff that there is. And I rate this food probably a 9, an 8 or a 9. So, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna go back to the room or do something else after this, but I'm probably gonna go back to the room. And yeah, so when we're done eating our food, we'll see you guys. See ya. That's the room of the dog. Dog. Doing stuff.